Wait a second, let me ask you this. How much do you think your HVAC system is secretly adding to your monthly energy bill? Go ahead, take a guess. Most homeowners I talk to are shocked when they find out it is often 30 to 40% of the total bill. Now, the good news is, with just a few simple changes, you can keep your home comfortable and save a lot of money. Let me share with you the top 5 HVAC energy saving tips every homeowner should know. Tip number 1, regular filter changes. This one's huge. A dirty filter makes your system work twice as hard to push air through, which means more energy use and higher bills. Swapping it out every 1 to 3 months can save you real money and keep your air cleaner too. Tip number 2, use a programmable thermostat. Most people set their HVAC at one temperature all day, even when they're not home. That's like leaving the lights on in every room 24/7. With a smart or programmable thermostat, you can adjust temperatures automatically warmer or cooler when you're home, more efficient when you're away. Tip number 3, seal up those leaks. You'd be surprised how much air escapes through tiny gaps around windows, doors, or ductwork. That's money literally blowing away. Take a weekend to add some weather stripping, seal ducts, or use caulk, and you'll notice the difference. Tip number 4, don't ignore routine maintenance. Think of your HVAC system like a car. If you never change the oil, sooner or later, the engine gives out. Regular checkups, cleaning coils, checking refrigerant levels, making sure everything's balanced help the system run efficiently and last longer. And finally, tip number 5, use fans and natural airflow. Ceiling fans and cross breezes can help distribute air so your HVAC doesn't have to work as hard. Even setting your thermostat just 2 degrees higher or lower while using fans can save you up to 10% on energy costs. So, quick recap: clean your filters, upgrade your thermostat, seal the leaks, schedule maintenance, and make airflow your friend. Do these 5 things and you'll be amazed at how much you save while keeping your home comfortable. Now, I've got a question for you out of these 5 tips. Which one are you already doing? And which one do you need to start today? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to know. And hey, if you ever feel like your HVAC system just isn't running right, check the description below. I've left a number there where you can call for a professional service whenever you need it.